In this video, we're going to look at what's new with the Notes app on the iPhone with iOS 16. We have quick notes, we have enhanced smart folders, we can now group our notes by date, and we can filter by any or all tags. We can also lock with an encrypted passcode. Let's take a look at these features on my iPhone with iOS 16. Let's go over to my iPhone. Let's first look at Quick Notes. With Quick Notes, which was only available on the iPad and the Mac prior to iOS 16, with Quick Notes we can now quickly add a note from any app, from within any app. As an example, let's go over to Safari here. I have this web page here, Apple ID. What I want to do is take a note on it. I want to create a quick note. We have a couple of different ways to do that. The first way is through the share icon. You can create a quick note from within any app that has the share icon. So I just go down to the bottom here, I tap on the share icon, and then what you're going to see is add to quick note. All I have to do is just tap on this. The Notes app will come up. You can see we have the link in there, and I can write my note. And now all I do is just tap on Save, and being that it's a quick note, what it'll do is it'll go back to Safari. So that's the idea behind a quick note. I do not have to actually leave my app. I can create a quick note from within any app. And when you use Safari like what I did here, we get an added bonus. Being that I created a quick note with this page here, it added that link to that quick note. If we look down towards the bottom, you're going to see that we have this little slider here. This is telling me that this web page has a quick note. So now I just tap on this, and I can tap on the quick note to open it up. Now I mentioned there was another way of creating a quick note. We can do this through the Control Center as well. So now I'm going to swipe up, and then we're going to go over to Settings. Let's go and add those controls for quick notes, or add the control for quick notes. I tap on Settings, and then what we need to do is go over to Control Center. Under Control Center, what we have to do is go over and add our quick notes to our added controls. So now I just swipe up, and you're going to see that we have a couple of different controls for notes. I have Notes, and then I have Quick Notes. Let's go and add them both so you can see the difference. So I just tap on the plus here for both of them. They're both in my Control Center. So now let's just say I wanted to add a note. Well, all I have to do is just go to my Control Center, and you're going to see that I have two different types of notes here. This first one here will just add a note. It's going to open up the Notes app, and I can type my note. Now that's not necessarily a quick note. Remember, a quick note, what it does is it opens up over top of your current app, and then it'll close once you've created that note. So let's go and do that again. I swipe down, and this time I'm going to go to this icon over to the right. This is a quick note, and watch what happens. I have my quick note up at the top here. I can type in what I want, and then when I tap on Save, it's going to save that, and we're back at my home screen. So that's the idea behind a quick note. Now we can find our quick notes in our Notes app. So when I tap on Notes here, and we look at all of our different folders, you're going to see that we have quick notes up here. I tap on it, and there are my quick notes. I can move these quick notes into a regular folder if I wanted to. To do that, what we do is we tap on it, and then we go to our three dots here in the upper right-hand corner. This is where we have more options, and you're going to see Move Note. Tap on that, and then select the folder you want to move it to. Let's take a look at what's new with our folders in the Notes app. So I go back over to my folders. The first thing you're going to see is that when I tap on a folder, what it's going to do is organize them by day. So here are my notes from today. Here are my notes from the previous 7 days. So how is it categorizing these? Well, right now I have it by the date that they were edited. Maybe I want to change it to the date that they were added. Well, when we go over to our Notes settings, what we're able to do, I swipe up until I find my notes here. What I'm able to do is set how my notes are sorted. So again, these are sorted by when they were edited, but I can tap on this and change it to date created or title. We have new enhanced smart folders. Let's go back over to my Notes app. And when I create a new folder here, to do that, we go down the lower left-hand corner. What I'm able to do is create a smart folder. Now, a smart folder, what it does is it will automatically add a note to that folder based on specific criteria. In the past, this criteria that you set the smart folder on was very limited. You couldn't add a lot of criteria. You couldn't add an and or an or to it. Does it include this and that, or does it include this or that? That's an and or. Well, now with our new smart folders in iOS 16, when I tap on this, you're going to see that I have a lot of different options here. And let's just go with tags here. When I tap on tags, what I'm able to do is set it to include any tag. I can have it any selected tag, or I can say all selected tags. We couldn't do this in past versions of iOS. I can even say no tags. So let's just go with any selected tag. Tap on it, and now I just select which tags I want. So I just go with appetizer and Asian. So now this smart folder here is going to include any notes that have those two tags. This is how I classify my favorite meals, or my meals that I like. I tap on it, and now we can see all the notes that include that criteria. When I go up to the top here, I tap on it, I am able to edit the smart folder, and then I can select other tags. Let's take a look at tags. I'm going to cancel this. We have new options with tags. When I swipe up here, tags were added last year. In the past, what I was able to do is select any one of these, and it'll show me all the notes with that tag. We can still do that, but now we have more options. Let's go ahead and tap on appetizer. It takes me to all of my appetizers. Nothing new there, but when I go up to the top here, I can also include Asian. So maybe I want to have an Asian appetizer. I tap on it, and now it's including all of those. And I can select this and change it to any of those. So we have a lot more options when we're using our smart folders and when we're using tags. If I deselect one, you're going to see it is now not including that. It has a strike through it. The last thing I want to show you is lock with passcode. It is now encrypted. We could always lock it with a passcode, but it is now encrypted. So let's go back over to a note here. We're just going to go to my camera tip here. What I would like to do is lock this. We can't lock shared notes. This note is not shared. So I go up to the three dots, the more, and you're going to see lock. When I tap on lock, what it'll do is it'll lock it, and now it is encrypted, end-to-end encryption. On top of that, they added Face ID for unlocking it, or you can use the passcode on your iPhone. So you no longer have to actually type in the password. I'm going to unlock this. You're going to see that it is just going to use my Face ID. So I go to remove the lock, and now it is unlocked. I did not have to type in a passcode because it recognized my face. So that is what is new with the Notes app on the iPhone with iOS 16. We now have quick notes. That's probably the biggest thing. We can easily create a note from within any app just by tapping on the share icon. We can also add it to our control center. We have enhanced smart folders. We can now group our notes by dates, and we can filter any or all of our tags. And we also have new encrypted lock notes, and we can unlock them with Face ID or with our iPhone's passcode. So that is what's new with the Notes app in iOS 16 on the iPhone.